Hi all, today we are going to see about how to configure a timer and create some delay using the STM32Cube IDE. Open the STM32Cube IDE, select the workspace where your project have to be saved, click launch. From the file, select new, select STM32 project. Today I am going to use the controller STM32 F405 RGT6. Select the same controller from your right side from the MCUs list. Click Next. I'm giving the project name as timer. Since I'm using a C language, the targeted language is C and the targeted binary type is executable. I'm going to use all libraries and all APIs. So the targeted project type will be STM32Cube. Click Finish. Under the system core, from the sys, select the debug mode as serial wire. From the RCC, select both the high speed and low speed clocks as crystal ceramic resonators. From the timers, I am selecting the timer 6 since it is a general basic timer. I am activating it. Before going to the timer configuration, we will see about the timer 6 briefly. Timer 6 contains a counter register and a 16-bit programmable prescaler register and an auto reload register. The auto reload register is preloaded. The preload register is accessed each time when an attempt is made to write or read the auto reload register. In timer mode, the timer module gets clocked from an internal clock source. You can see here the prescaler register is a 16-bit register and its value varies between 0 to 65535, and the auto reload register is available in this counter period and it is also of 16 bits and it also varies between 0 and 65535. In this project, we will see the delay in means of an glowing an LED. I will make the LED on for 1 second and off for another 1 second. For that, I have to configure an GPIO output pin. I am selecting PC6, that is port C 6th pin as GPIO output, and I am labeling it as LED. You can also see the clock configuration. 16 MHz is provided for all the peripherals. And then you can save your project to generate the code. Your code will be generated. To create a delay, we have a calculation. Let's see that. The clock frequency we have seen is 16 megahertz, and then the auto reload register I am setting the value as 999, and then the prescaler register I am setting the value as 15,999. The delay will be 1 second. The formula is delay equal to 1 by clock frequency into auto reload register value plus 1 into prescaler value plus 1. This is the frequency for calculating the delay. Let's go to the program. Here, in this prescaler value, we have to set that one, 15,999, and then this period value has 999. Now I will save the project and build this one. The project is built with 0 errors and 0 warnings. After building the program with 0 errors and 0 warnings, I will debug it. Download verified successfully, and now we can run our program into our board. We can dump our program into our board by using this. Now our program is dumped into our controller. We can see the output in our controller board. Thank you for watching. Watch our videos regularly and keep supporting us.